This survey commissioned through the government-linked agencies, right? Not an independent constitutional or judicial body. Sample size is 5,100 in 102 constituencies. What is an average? Not even 50. And the man who has conducted the survey is Dr. Subramaniam, who is working for the PMO. And he claims that he has got an NGO, that you have to verify the credibility of that NGO. That NGO, in the name of Gram, they have conducted this survey. This man, who is the founder of this NGO, he had written a book called Modi Mala. The people who sing the bhajan of Modi, you can't expect a better result in their surveys. It is nothing but Modi Bhajan Mandal and praising Modi and trying to give credibility for Election Commission of India, which has lost all its credibility. Election Commission is at the lowest ebb as far as its credibility is concerned. So they want to build up their image. It's image-making practice, image-making step. They're trying to build up their image through these fake surveys. And if at all, if Election Commission wants their image to be improved or built up, there should be a transparency, they should be impartial, and they should listen to the political parties or the electoral representatives. Nothing of that sort is taking place. Only it is behaving like a political election machinery wing of Bharatiya Janata Party. It has lost all its credibility after they got disturbed. When Rahul Gandhi addressed a massive protest in Ramlila Maidan on December 14, over 1 lakh people were there. They got jittered by the response of the people. They have realized that the Election Commission has got a very bad name in this process. So they are trying to build up their image.